Good morning, children. Yes, the previous lesson you learnt about angles, how to draw angles of different measurements. Today you will learn the next chapter, that is chapter 7, circles. Now, here you can see there are some draw pictures. First one is a clock, next is a coin, and next is a bangle. Now, all these are round in shape. Okay. Now, what is a circle? A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are at the same distance from the center. From the center, when you draw the circle, all the distance will be same. If the distance are not same, then you cannot draw a circle. Now we'll find out the important features of the circle. Now this is a circle. I have drawn some lines on that. So I will tell you what each one is. Now, point A, you can see that point now in the center of the circle. So, point A is in the center of the circle. So, center of the circle is the fixed point from which the circle is drawn. So, when you are drawing a circle, you have to keep the pencil at the center of the circle. Then only you can get a round circle. Next is you can see the yellow color, that is BA. Okay, from you can draw any side from the point. You can draw anywhere the line, but it should touch the circumference of the circle. Now what is BA? BA is the radius of the circle. Now you have learnt in 4th standard how to draw circle. So BA is the radius of the circle. Now radius. Radius is the segment that extends from the center of the circle to any point of the circumference or on the circle. From the center, you will draw the lines to any part of the circle. So that is called as a radius. Now what is segment? Segment means now you have drawn A, that is a point, then you are stopped at the circle B. You are not going to extend it anymore. So only that portion, okay, from one end to the other end is called as a segment. Whereas yesterday in angles you learned what is a ray, that is a point, then you draw a straight line with a arrow. Now arrow means it will move in one direction. The point is there, it is fixed, you cannot move in the other direction. In the same way, segment is two end points of the line, you cannot draw it any other direction anymore. Next, there is a blue line, PAQ. Now PAQ, it is called as a diameter. It passes through the center of the circle. Okay, you can draw this diameter anyway, provided it passes through the center of the circle and it should be in a straight line. Okay, what is diameter? Diameter is a segment that joins any two parts of the circle and it passes through the center of the circle. Next, you have a pink line there, MN. Now this MN is called as a chord. You can draw this chord anywhere on the circle provided it touches two sides of the circle. So this line is called as a chord. It is MN is a chord of the circle. So we'll see what is the definition of it. Chord is a segment that joins any two points on the circle. Okay, now here you have got PAQ. Okay, that is the biggest chord in the circle. Whereas other sides where you draw, it will be a small chords. Now, how to draw a circle? You first need a compass. Okay. Now, in your instrument box, yesterday I told you to use a protractor to draw the circle. Today you will use a compass to draw a circle. Okay. Now you can see this instrument. So the compass has got two arms. One is a metal arm with a point, and the other arm is a pencil arm where you will put the pencil inside the screw. Now with this help we will draw a circle. Now how to draw a circle? First you have to fix a point on the page. Okay. Then you will keep the metal point on the point of the page. Yes, now you can see, and then you have to draw the circle with the help of the pencil arm. So here you have drawn this pencil circle. Now you can see it's a circle. Okay. Now we will draw a circle of 3.8 centimeters. So what you are going to do first? You will take a scale, okay, and the 2 points, that is the pencil point and the arm point. Pencil point you are going to keep it on 0, and the arm point you are going to keep it on 3.8 centimeters. Okay, then you will remove the scale. Then with the point on your book, with the arm point, with 3.8 same measurement, no moving the compass, you will draw a circle. Now this is a circle. Now we will name the parts here. Now from the point to any part of the circle, what it is called? It is called as a radius. The short form you will write it as R. So then the point, midpoint is O, and A is the other part of the segment on the circle. Then you will draw a radius for that. Now that is, we'll name it P and Q. Now we will write the measurement. So OA is 3.8 centimeters. Now radius is, diameter is double the radius. So how much it will become? That is PQ is 2 times the radius. That is 3.8 into 2 times, it is 7.6 centimeters. Now we'll draw one more circle. Okay, here we'll draw a circle of 5 centimeters. So first what you're going to do is take your compass, then keep your scale, okay, and measure with keep the fixed points, one point on 0 and another point on 5. Okay, now when you're taken the measurement, remove the scale, and with the same measurement, no moving the arms of the compass, keep the arm point, metal point on the page, and then draw a circle. Okay, now remove the compass. We'll name it. Okay, now what is this? This is the radius. So the point center is O, and the other point segment is B. So OB is the radius, and then you will draw a diameter. So we'll name the diameter S and T. Now what is the measurement of OB? It is 5, and ST is 2 times of the radius, that is 5 into 2, that it is equal to 10 centimeters. Now we'll draw one more circle. Draw a circle of 4 centimeters. Yes, first you will take the compass, then you will measure it on the scale. One end is 0, the other end of the arm is, of the compass is on 4. You will remove the scale, you will keep the metal point on the page, Then you will draw the circle measuring 4 centimeters. You will remove the compass. Then you will name it. Okay. Now this is the radius. This is the center. O is the center. Small r is the radius of the circle, and OC is the radius. We'll draw diameter. We'll name it M and N. So OC is 4 centimeters. MN is 2 times of OC, that is 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 centimeters. Hope you enjoyed learning how to draw the circle. Thank you.